Yeah, good day, my beautiful people, my beautiful listeners, viewers all over the world in Nigeria, diaspora, Germany, United States, wherever you may be listening from. I say good day and may God bless you for listening. Now, still on Sunday Igboho's case, I believe Sunday Igboho sues Benin Republic and demands 560 million naira. Yes, and why is that? The reason why he's suing the Benin Republic. And demanding for such amount 560 million is what we're going through now. Yeah, I would like to say don't forget to share this news as it comes, and also try and click the bell icon, yeah, to get more notification. You all know where that is. God bless you for that. Yes, Yoruba nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo Igboho has dragged the Benin Republic through the Community Court of Justice, the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, over his continued detention. I know some persons must have missed this news, or rather, they may not be aware. But as it is, Igboho has now filed a suit demanding 560 million naira damages for each day he has been imprisoned in the Benin Republic. Okay, according to Seriki Fulani, well, there are sometimes a blessing in disguise. You may not really know. He said he does not want him to come back. He should stay in detention. But I don't know. Maybe it's for your own selfish reason and selfish gain. If you are saying that, well, it's your opinion. But in other words, if they checkmate you, they might think you are the leader, or you are the one, sponsoring the event happening between the farmer that clashes between those. But notwithstanding, I will not take you for your word, because you are just saying like a layman and an uneducated person. But notwithstanding, yeah, that is for the Seriki Fulani who had said he does not wish Sunday Igboho comes back to Nigeria. He should remain in Benin Republic. But in other words, Sunday Igboho is suing Benin Republic, yes, with the sum of 516 million naira damages for each day he has spent being imprisoned in the Benin Republic. Well, Sunday Igboho called on the court for an order awarding his general damages over the alleged violation of his human rights by the Republic of Benin. Sunday Igboho was arrested in Benin while trying to escape to Germany from the country after being raided at his Soka residence by the Department of State Services, DSS. The Yoruba Nation agitator, through his lawyer, Tosin Ojamo, sought an order declaring that his continued detention by Benin violates his dignity of the human rights person, or human person, or thereabout. Yes, he said that the order sought in order is under Article 51. Okay, again, let me retrogress. He said that the order sought is under Article 59 of Rules of Procedure, and expedited procedure and hearing regarding the imprisonment and release of Chief Adeyemo Ojamo in the application dated February 10th, thereabout 2022, and in the like minds of today, yes, it says February 20th. Yes, sought an order for the immediate and unconditional release of Igboho, along with his Nigerian passport, pending litigation and determination on damages. Sunday Igboho's counsel said that the application is brought under Article 3, Bracket 4 of the 2005 Supplementary Protocol ASP.1/01/05, by which the court has a jurisdiction to determine the case of a violation of human rights that occur in any member state. Now, before I continue, you see all these West African states, I don't even know why they like, hiding subheading subject through subject matter, because when you see article number 3 bracket 4 of the 2005 supplementary protocol A/SP.1/01/05, what is that? Now, matriculation number. No, now let section A be section A, section B should be section B, section C section D, not embedded. Because some persons would not know, in the Nigerian constitution, that is where we have a whole lot of problem. Because when you have a constitution that guides a country, or let me say a law which guides a country, I'm relating it to the commandment of God. God only have 10 commandments. Yes, And the Ten Commandments simply means that that's the condition. That's the rule of law of God, or the conditions of God, or a community guideline, or rather a privacy policy, depending on whichever you want to call it, they are all the same. Because when you definitely, get to an institution, there are rules that guide them. I'm not using God of the universe as an example. Well, in the Bible, it says he has a 10 commandment. If I could remember, I would say I can mention 3. Yeah, love your neighbor as yourself. Do not serve any other God, and do not lie. That's one thing where you say that lie. They inside the commandment too. So if you lie and detest your neighbor, or rather, I would say if you try to lie. Okay, even there are some people that will say, I lie to justify myself. Then if you lie, acknowledge that you have lied, and try and adjust. And there are some things that you will say sometimes you might not even realize that you have lied. But if you retrogress your step, or try to consider things, think very well and think, Baba, I don't lie. Okay, correct the mistake. And there's this saying that says, let your truth be 80%, and then your lie should be 20%. Then if any day you lie, they will take it as a mistake. Yeah, they'll say it's a mistake. But in the case of Nigeria and all these West African states, I don't know why they try to embed some lies under section A, section B, like what I've read now, that under Article 3 bracket 4 of the 2005 supplementary protocol 8/SP/1. Oh my God, no, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. That is a whole lie of of the century. But notwithstanding, I would say Sunday Igboho, you understand, as the Benin Republic has violated his rights truly, and what we need in Nigeria now, or in the West African states, because we have a bilateral relationship, I believe we should work hand in hand. The violation of human rights is what is causing this havoc. Yeah, we are not growing as Africans. I believe we should have grown beyond the level we are now. Let me not extend to any other country. Let me even talk about the Nigeria that we are now. Sunday Igboho, who has been arrested by Benin Republic. If truly Nigerian government respects human rights, respects and love its citizens, Sunday Igboho wouldn't have been there. Plenty, maybe a day or 2 days. Yes, 48 hours, they would have done something. Because if before you make a report, if for instance you have workers or children that you are catering for, you are the guardian. Somebody missed 24 hours, you have not seen that person. The police will say, okay, let's wait for 48 hours. If the person is not yet back, then you make a complaint, then start doing search. But the long run, everybody knows that Sunday Igboho is there. So what is he still doing? Waiting. They let them try him. Same goes to Nnamdi Kanu. Well, that time may not really permit us. Yes, this is where I'm going to draw the curtain. I would like you to share your views in the comment section. Thanks for listening, and God bless.